Well, this U.S. surveillance report actually comes about a week after the U.S. indicted 5 Chinese military officers. Well, our reporter Zhong Shi is here with me in the studio to talk more about this cyber activities between the two nations. Well, Zhong Shi, many see this report as a direct response to the U.S. accusation of China spying on U.S. companies. Let's start with what the report says about U.S. surveillance around the world.
Well, Zoya, this report was put together by the China Academy of Cyberspace. Its main point is that the U.S. has carried out surveillance activities on a number of countries, including its own allies, and that its actions have gone far beyond the need to fight against terrorism. Here are some of the highlights of the report. It says on a daily basis, the U.S. collects about 5 billion phone records globally, and that it has listened in to German Chancellor Angela Merkel's cell phone for more than a decade. It claims the U.S. has stolen user information from hundreds of millions of people by breaking into Yahoo and Google's overseas data centers, and that it has been monitoring cell phone apps to grab personal data. It's worth noting, though, that a lot of the information in this report are not new findings by China, but rather a summary of earlier media reports. So, yeah.
And I understand that this report actually backs China's claims that it has been a victim rather than a perpetrator of cyber attacks. What can you tell us on that?
That's right. The report calls cyber attacks from the U.S. illegal and of a large scale, and says China is one of the main targets of U.S. surveillance. It claims U.S. surveillance has targeted the Chinese government, its leaders, enterprises, scientific research institutes, and cell phone users. It has quoted former NSA contractor Edward Snowden's revelations that the U.S. carried out cyber attacks on Chinese ministries of commerce and foreign affairs, as well as Chinese banks and telecom companies. Even China's most widely used online chatting software, QQ, has been spied on by the NSA. Now, all the reports and evidence aside, the record says that China has stuck to the path of peaceful development and sees no justification of being targeted by America's secret surveillance agencies under the guise of fighting terrorism. Back to you, Zhou Yue.
All right. Thank you, Zhong Shi.